Since our inception nearly 3 decades ago, Setpoint has become the West Coast leader in modern automation, lean manufacturing, and delivering the world's most exciting amusement rides. Our experts design solutions tailored to each of our customers' specific needs, from start to finish, no matter the scope. We empower our customers to lead their industries by developing solutions that reduce cost and increase production. We're not afraid to embrace the unknown, designing and building world-first attractions and custom automation systems to help our customers achieve things no others can. Something we like to call the genius within. This, all while offering the fastest turnaround times in the industry. We wrote the book on project management, and our approach keeps us ahead of schedule, under budget, and outperforming industry standards. Whether we're working on new EV battery assembly systems, ammunition equipment, packaging and distribution lines, serial production equipment, or something else, our customers can count on us to stay lean, be flexible and reliable, and work fast. Our process is proven, our designs are custom, and our customers always come first. So the question is, what can Setpoint do for you?